We are Nebia. Since we started, we've wanted to bring the world's best shower to as many people as possible. This is our third Kickstarter campaign. At this point, we know a lot about showers, and we think this is our best product yet. Over the past 5 years, you've helped make our vision a reality with Nebia 1.0 and Nebia 2.0. Now, we're ready to bring the Nebia technology to more homes than ever. To achieve this, we've partnered with one of the best shower companies in the world. Introducing Nebia by Moen. We've gone back to the drawing board to design our most thoughtful, versatile, and accessible shower system ever. Nebia by Moen has 2 times more coverage, feels more powerful, and saves about half the water used by standard showers. For Nebia by Moen, we have perfected the spray experience, making droplets that are 4 times more precise than standard showers.
A great shower has to feel great. Make you feel warm and cover you completely. Effectively rinse shampoo and conditioner out of even the thickest of hair. And keep your hair dry for those days when you don't have time to wash it. Nobody likes complicated installations, so we took the easy install of Nebia 1.0 and 2.0 and made it even simpler. If you can install a light bulb, chances are you can install Nebia. We didn't stop there. We heard your feedback, and now Nebia by Moen comes in 3 different colors: spot-resistant nickel, whitening chrome, and matte black.
Internally, we've been calling this product Nebia 3.0. This is our most advanced shower spray ever. Our team has completely re-engineered our custom nozzles, allowing us to make our warmest shower yet. This design provides the perfect balance between the feeling of power and relaxation, while still saving 45% of water compared to standard showers.
Before Nebia, the industry was designing showers with droplets on a millimeter scale, whereas our team is now operating on the micrometer scale. To put it simply, this means that your old shower feels like a standard definition TV, while Nebia feels like ultra high definition. Nebia by Moen uses a new nozzle and spray array that provides more coverage than ever before. We've achieved this by fine-tuning the size of Nebia's droplets and the shape of the spray.
Nebia by Moen was designed to fit more people in more places. It has an effortless vertical slide, can pivot horizontally, and has an optional magnetic wand which backers have loved.
Ever since we started Nebia, we've been on a mission to transform how people interact with water. Our goal is to make products that people love to use and that are better for the planet. Thanks to your support, we've saved hundreds of millions of gallons of water and started a revolution in the shower industry. And we're just getting started. You can estimate your savings with the calculator on our website.
Our partnership with Moen is key to achieving this mission. Like us, Moen started with a breakthrough innovation. 70 years ago, Al Moen invented the first single-handed faucet. Now, together we've designed a product that will set the standard for the next era of innovation and sustainability.
First time I met them, I knew that a partnership between Moen and Nebia, something really special could happen.
Partnering with Nebia allows Moen to leapfrog in innovation.
Has really just made us more innovative with our designs, our performance, and ultimately the shower experience.
Kickstarter. Nebia was born with your support. We wouldn't be here without you. At each milestone, this community has backed our dreams. With Nebia by Moen, we have realized our early vision to make a product that is accessible to millions of people. Our manufacturers are ready to go, and we want you to be the first to experience our latest innovation. Please help us continue to make this vision a reality. Thank you.